Hi, we're white-whale magnet fishing. We've not been out and about for a while due to the current situation, but we do have a package that's been delivered to us. All the scrap that we get, we weigh in, and the money that we've made weighing in has bought ourselves a new magnet. So let's open it and have a look. See? White-whale magnet fishing. Have a look. It's a MagnetStore one. Unleash the power. Get the power you deserve. Very nicely packed. Let's have a look inside. Just a side note as well. Notice with this magnet when it was delivered, you can feel the magnetic pull on the side of the box, where other previous manufacturers you couldn't even tell it was a magnet. But on this, you can feel it pull through the packaging. Let's have a look. So we've got the M10 eye bolt along with the washers, which are stainless. Now if you look inside there, see how well it's packed. Well, you can tell straight away it's a better quality magnet. It weighs a lot more than the online magnets one. It's bigger and it's well finished. No sharp edges. So this is a test now, is how this end is threaded. It's on the online magnets one, we struggled to get a bolt in there. Butterfingers. Nice and smooth. Just look at that compared to the size of my hand. Absolutely brilliant. This is a little test. A lot more power. Rather dangerous doing it with a pair of scissors though, but just proves that it has got more pull. Absolute beauty. So we'll be trying that out soon as lockdown gets relaxed and eased off. But yeah, thank you MagnetStore for producing a brilliant bit of kit. Well made, like I say. Wow, just wow. Can't wait to try that in water. And again, you can see it lifting off. So I just thought I'd show you a close-up or a more open view of what we're doing in front of the table. It can move, it can lift straight off. See, it even spins the scissors round. don't recommend using scissors though as a test, but we'll be back out on the canal to do a test as soon as possible. If you do want one of these from MagnetStore, you can use our discount code Welly10, which will give you 10% off your entire order. And they don't just sell magnets, they sell rope, grappling hooks, you name it, they've got it. Brilliant service, customer service can't fault them, nice people to talk to. We ordered this and we had it delivered within 2 days, and it is just a brilliant bit of kit. We hope to see you out on Canal soon. Have a nice day.